Hi, and welcome to Cultivating the Learning Google Classroom Beginner, Personalizing My Google Classroom. Today, we're going to talk about how you can personalize your Google Classroom, because let's face it, if you can make it personal and more fun, it's more interesting to you and your students. So let's get started. So here on the stream page, at the top of the stream page is your title and this very cool picture. You can select a theme and change the picture, which is what you're going to do today, or you can upload a photo. So you would click on upload the photo, select from your gallery, and choose a photo from your images that works for you. So notice that the box within a box here, this is what you will see on your Google Classroom page. So make sure you get what you want. In the bottom left corner, you select the class theme and it changes your picture. Notice that it is a little dark, so I don't always really like to use these. I prefer to actually just change the theme. Again, right-hand corner, select theme, and you are given a gallery of choices. So maybe you are math and you really like to show some rulers and a compass, or maybe you're science like me and you love these little beakers. Maybe you're an English or history teacher and you prefer to show this compass or this globe. Whatever it is that's your preference, just select a theme and then go down to the bottom left-hand corner and apply it to your page. And there you go. So at this time, you should be able to change the stream page so that it adds your personal flair. Please join us in the next video to learn more about how to utilize Google Classroom. Thank you.